Hello everyone. Again, with the third video, I'm going to proceed with the next topic. So for that, I'm going to open the content. So in last video, we had covered the topic iron. That every element, if they have one, two, three in their outermost shell, they will form cation, and if they contain outermost shell 5, 6, 7, so they will form anion, a negative charge. So 1 to 20, you must remember these ions and their charges on that. And there are certain explanation for helium, neon, and argon that they are will not form ion because their shells are fully filled. And carbon and silicon does not form ion. They share the electrons with other atoms to gain noble gas configuration. You will learn in the chapter 4, 10th class in future. So I have made a certain list of cation and anion. So you can see that hydrogen H plus, chloride F minus, chloride Cl minus, bromide Br minus, iodide I minus, oxide O2 minus. So you have to remember these ions and their charges. Okay, element and their charges, how much charge they have. So similarly, the element which contains three positive charge, aluminium, magnesium. Remember this, we can see hydrogen, sodium, potassium, and silver. They contain only one charge. And similarly, aluminium contain three plus charge. Remaining, except copper, they all contain plus charge. And NH4 also that they contain plus charge. So by this process, only generally metals contain one plus or two plus, except aluminium and iron. So you can remember in this way also. And here the iron with two or more atoms, like hydroxide ion, NO3, nitrate ion, sulfate SO4 2 minus, carbonate SO3, CO3 2 minus, hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus, and phosphate CO4 3 minus. So please remember this, and if you don't remember, then practice hard so that you could remember it. Because if you don't know the ions, then you will not able to make the formula. So I'm recalling the process. How can we make the formula? Like if we have to write the aluminum oxide. Then we will bring the aluminium P plus and oxide for O2 minus. Here it is written also. So the charge, you have learned that there is a crisscross process, and oxygen, the charge of oxygen goes to aluminium and charge of aluminium goes to oxygen, so it forms Al2O3. And in case of aluminum hydroxide, when there is two or more atoms in a single ion, then at that time we put this small bracket, and it is aluminum hydroxide. Similarly, magnesium sulfate, if charges are equal, they cancel each other, and finally they form MgSO4. Similarly, lead nitrate, Pb2 plus, NO3 minus. So NO3 contain one charge, Pb contain two charge, so they form PbNO3 twice. So in this way, you can see, and I have made a worksheet and I have pasted in your work also, class work also. You can check out all the formula. Just try to form all the formulas. Like ferrous sulfate, you will take Fe2 plus. One important thing you have to remember, like copper and iron. In 10th class, uh, Fe Cu plus, they generally Cu plus only shows single charge in case of oxygen and sulfur only. So you will apply plus and 2 plus charge for copper in case of sulfur and oxygen. Otherwise, in all cases, it will show 2 plus charge. Similarly, iron shows 2 plus in all cases, and Fe3 with oxygen. So next, practice this sheet, and we will meet in the next.